Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me again on my channel. Welcome to Untitled. I have just purchased two really cool pieces of luggage. One is for myself, the other is for someone who's basically like my brother. You've seen him on my channel before. He's been in a few videos. His name's Michael. So it was his birthday just a few days ago. He just spent it with his boyfriend in Hawaii. And I showed him the luggage I got and he really liked it, and I like sent him the links and stuff, and he's like, oh, that's really cool. And then I'm like, do you want one? I'll get you one for your birthday. And he's like, okay. And then I was like, then I reminded him, I was like, by the way, you didn't get me anything for my birthday. Well, I went away, I didn't have a celebration, so I think he forgot. And he's like, oh right, bitch, I forgot I didn't. And then I was like, so for Christmas you better get me something really nice. And he's like, okay. So anyways, at least I have both of them to show you guys today. So I got myself the grey and I bought him the charcoal. So they're literally the exact same luggage. The design model name is called FÖRENKLA. It's the same line as I got my boyfriend's backpack from. So this is the luggage version. So I'm going to pull out mine. This is the first time I'm actually opening it. I opened it like for a short, like few seconds at IKEA to just make sure that it was the bag that I was getting, just to make sure everything was there. And I'm really anal about stitching and things like that, so I have to just like examine it. Okay, so here it is. As you notice, there are two pieces. This is actually a detachable backpack. It is so cool. You can see the IKEA logo on the side. And it's not like as light as like the IT luggage, but because it's like a soft top, it's easy to contort and just like get around, you know, carry around. I'm just like examining this bag right now. The wheels are really robust. They're really like sturdy. This is a stopper to stop your luggage from sliding and moving. Really enforced, really well made. I love the color. There's a side handle. I'm going to take off the backpack. The backpack also fits in the front pocket. And the backpack is held with these plastic clasps. Okay, this is why I can't do anything. Okay, so this is the detachable backpack. We will get to that after. So let's just look at the luggage itself. This is a perfect carry-on size. The size $54.99. And I'm going to read it to you. Okay, so it contains one small backpack that you can easily attach to the outside of the carry-on bag. Here we are. Has the included smaller backpack has features like a laptop compartment and an extra outer pocket so that you can quickly find things like ticket or a passport. Two practical inner mesh compartments help to keep cords and chargers organized, may be completed with packing bags and accessories bags in the Forfina series. Okay, the designer is J. Jelinek and M. Arvonen. So I always give designers credit when it comes to IKEA. heard it's supposed to be pronounced IKEA. I'm gonna call it IKEA because that's how you're supposed to pronounce it. Okay, so the luggage itself, it's 20.5 inches high, 13.5 inches wide, and the depth is 7.75 inches. Okay, and that is perfect carry-on size. I also heard that it can even pass as a personal item sometimes. You know, Spirit isn't too anal and not checking everyone's bag, but because it's kind of a squishy bag and it kind of doesn't look like a typical luggage, you may be able to get away with it. I heard if it doesn't look too structured, then they're not, like, you don't have to completely be with the whole 18-inch roll. This huge front pocket. It's made of very sturdy, thick canvas. You can fit the backpack even in the front. Look at that. You can fit it in front. And yes, it fully fits inside. You don't want to attach it on the outside. There you go, so it's in there. It's really nice size. Perfect for a weekend or even a week or two, really. Depends how well you pack. Okay, so there is a top handle here and a side handle here. The zippers are inverted, which gives it a really nice look, and also water resistant feature. Double zippered compartments with a place for a lock. The zipper is vertical, sorry. As you can see, it's vertical. Such a cool bag. The inner side has a mesh compartment. I love that. I love when there are pockets built into the actual structure of the bag. Really cool design. Doubled pockets. There's two of them, as you can see. Two pockets on one side. And two pockets on the other side. How convenient. Lovely. That can really be so useful. And then of course you have your clips to start moving everything around. I'm so happy with it. It's just an amazing piece of luggage. And we are going to go on to the backpack. So here's the cute backpack. It's a very streamlined thing, but it can pack up a lot. Okay, so it's got the same kind of large compartment on the outside, just like the luggage. So the whole thing is a big compartment. Inside you have two pen holders and two flap pockets, and they run deep, so you can put lots inside. inverted zipper on the outside. Then you have 2 double zipper pulls with very sturdy canvas zipper pulls, revealing a padded compartment for your laptop or your iPad, and this plastic bit for your ID cards or whatever kind of cards you want to put in there and keep for an easy access. Your, you know, your license, you know, things like that, especially when you're traveling, it's really good to have. I absolutely love it. Then in the back you have a flap, so you can stick it right on its brother. It's a telescopic handle, and you stick it right on. Okay, so it looks like that. Sturdy, really, really cute. The straps, yeah. And look at the clasp, it's really nice. And here's one of the best parts. You know, I love features like this. A lot of bags just have a flap, but there's no function within the flap besides being placed over a luggage. Well, this one has a pocket right in this piece, so you can put all your things that you need easy access to, like your earbuds, your phone, your money, your keys, your tickets, passport, whatever. It's really good to have a pocket right there. So cool. And they seem like titanium, aluminum, really, really thin and very, very smooth. And here is the one I got from my brother. It's never even been opened. You know what? I'm not even going to open it because it's completely sealed. And I want him to be the first to open it. But here it is. It is a nice charcoal colour, but you can see the colour difference between them. So you have seen, this is an amazing, amazing, oh, just to let you know, this one has, the charcoal one has black wheels. Everything is black on it. It's quite a dark charcoal colour. And of course the grey one has everything grey. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to put on the backpack to show you just what it looks like for size references. Okay, really comfortable. I'm really, really happy with it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Any questions, please leave it down below.